Today we'll be covering integration with Lumaprints. We will define key terms like integration, automation, and mapping. Afterwards, we will explain how to directly integrate with the following platforms and use this opportunity to also explain your store settings as they play an important role in how you want Lumaprints to fulfill your orders. And to end the video, we will cover ShipStation integration, which is an option available to users who have a different platform or already use ShipStation. First, what integration does. Integration creates a connection between your store and our print-on-demand services. So when an order is placed on your store, Lumaprints populates the order onto our site as well to be fulfilled. It's useful for cases where you have a store and want Lumaprints to automatically fulfill orders as they come into your store. In the instance where you need to make a personal purchase or fulfill custom orders only, integration is optional or not required. Orders to automatically send to Lumaprints. Once you're integrated with Lumaprints, then all orders will begin to populate onto Lumaprints. For automatic fulfillment of the product, you will need to map the product either through manual order or through bulk mapping. What is mapping? Mapping a product on Lumaprints is when you assign the image file, product type, size, and other factors to your product so it can be fulfilled automatically with Lumaprints. Mapping occurs when you sync products to your store and manually fulfill an order, thus assigning the image, size, and other factors for that specific SKU. Bulk mapping is reserved for when you have a lot of products to map at once. This is done with the Excel file available in the Bulk Mapping tab when you go to your store settings. This serves as a quick overview of what automation and mapping is to help you better understand integration. We will cover these topics in greater detail in a future tutorial. Now that we covered what integration is, what mapping is, and how to automatically fulfill your orders, let me demonstrate how you could then integrate your store quickly and efficiently with Lumaprints. For Shopify integration, first we'll go ahead and go to the Stores tab here on Lumaprints' dashboard. Then go ahead and go to New Store. In the Stores tab, go to Shopify, proceed to Next, and add in your URL. Make sure your URL template removes the HTTPS and is left like this. At the bottom, it will say retrieve only the orders and products where the vendor is Lumaprints. Since I have multiple products spanning different materials and different types of products, I want to be able to make it easier for myself by saying that Lumaprints is the vendor for only my paper prints and canvas prints. In the instance where you sell only wall art prints on your store, this is optional. Go ahead and click Next. And there you go. Here's your Shopify and it is now integrated with lumaprints.com. For Etsy integration, log into your Lumaprints dashboard and go to Stores, and then click on New Stores. Click on Etsy, and go Next. There is usually a step here that asks for you to grant access to Lumaprints to integrate with Etsy. Since I previously granted access for Lumaprints to integrate with my Etsy, integration here was pretty quick. Next, we will learn how to integrate with WooCommerce. Go ahead and go to New Store, click on WooCommerce, and select Next. Type in your URL, make sure to include HTTPS, proceed to go Next, and a pop-up should show. This pop-up will let you know about the permissions and access you'll be granting to Lumaprints. Go ahead and review them and select Approve. And there you have it. WooCommerce should now be integrated. The next store we'll learn how to integrate with is Squarespace. Go ahead and select New Store, select Squarespace, and proceed to Next. There's going to be two options that they'll offer you. One is using OAuth 2.0, which is the recommended and fastest way, or you can use your API key. I'm going to go ahead and use the OAuth 2.0. Proceed to Next. And it will show you what permissions you're granting to Lumaprints. Go ahead and review them, and proceed to select Allow. You're now integrated with your Squarespace. While we're here, we could also review what store settings you can change and what we offer. There is a generic store name. You're more than welcome to change it. There's a billing address you can select, a default shipping address if it applies to you, and you could also have ship mapping. What this means is that if you offer a form of expedited shipping on your store's checkout page, you can map the production time and shipping method on Lumaprints to reflect your store's expedited shipping option. Just be sure to give it the same name as the one you have on your store. You can first input the name of the method. I'm going to go ahead with fast delivery. And then you can proceed with the production time. For fast delivery, we're going to go with same day, and we're going to be using 2 day. Email notifications are a toggleable option whether or not you want to receive email confirmations about orders being placed or shipped. Here we can select what type of order submission we are allowing. For manual orders, that means that you need to control and each order needs to be selected and pushed by you. The next option you could choose is automatic. When you're choosing automatic, the orders that are submitted are automatically pushed through from your website or store. Orders with unmanned products will remain in awaiting submission status until you go ahead and push it through. We also allow for delay in the order submission in case you want to make sure that customer makes any last minute changes or wants to reach out to you. You can either leave it as is or you can proceed to add time to it. Production order submission, which will come at a small fee, but you're allowed to select one of these options. And just to let you know, regular production time is 3 business days. Next business day, as long as it's submitted before 9 a.m., will allow you to have it ready and out for production the very next day. If you want same day production push, then you would need to make sure to order it as well before 9 a.m. But those are your options available to you. If there is a form of shipping that you would want to proceed with, say you want to go cheapest amongst all carriers, that is an option as well. Or if you have a preference for your shipping carrier, then you can go ahead and select that. For example, I want to prioritize USPS. And when it comes to email notifications that are sent to you, you can proceed to allow for these to push through. I'm going to push for every single one of these just so I know that if there's anything to occur, I get notified for it. You could upload your logo here. And if you have store printouts that you would like to do, like thank you notes or coupon codes, or even QR codes to review your product, these will also be included in every single order coming into your store and will go ahead and be shipped with it. If there are special instructions you want us at Lumaprints to know about, feel free to write them here and they'll be included in all your orders submitted through the store. For more options such as auto sync orders, and then we could also go ahead and proceed to make it specific to the country as well. Here are your options. And similar to above, but for import orders specifically, you can add a delay time just in case you want to proceed to review the order or give some time just in case. Here, you'll see that there's a store product preference section. Set your preferences for each product subcategory, so when you enter a new order, your saved preferences will automatically be applied, saving your time for future orders. Feel free to select on any of the subcategories to configure your default settings, and these preferences can always be changed. And in the chance that you ever need to remove your store from Lumaprints, it's as easy as proceeding here with deleting your store. Lastly, we'll learn how to integrate with ShipStation. Integrating with ShipStation is useful in cases where you're already using ShipStation or in cases you want to integrate with other platforms like Amazon, Magento, OpenCart, Wix, and many more. Think of ShipStation as a bridge to link all these platforms to Lumaprints. Just keep in mind that ShipStation is a paid service. Like the others, go to New Store, go down, and click on ShipStation. Proceed to Next, and here you'll need to put your API key and your API secret. To access these two, go to your ShipStation account and ensure that your store is integrated with your ShipStation. After doing so, all you need to do is go to your account in the settings. Underneath account, you'll see API settings. Click there, and here you'll be able to generate an API key. Make sure that you keep this to yourself as this is very sensitive information, and go ahead and copy and paste. Once you copy and paste it, you'll be able to select your store that you have connected through ShipStation and proceed to Next. You have now successfully integrated your ShipStation with your Lumaprints. And that is the end of the tutorial for integration spanning different e-commerce platforms. Please look forward to future tutorials where we will cover more details on the topics of automation and mapping. Thank you for making it to the end of this video.